We had a problem with picking up and installing, removing large tires off of our sprayer. You can put them on with a pellet fork, but as you set them down on the ground to drive forward, the bottom often grabs and then the tire will flip forwards. So this project that we designed is called TireGrabber. It clamps it from 3 ways evenly, so you're not clamping your wheel studs sideways. All 3 arms move simultaneously, which is a safer method for holding a tire. You grab it on 3 points, and the bottom 2 points are sitting at the 4 o'clock and the 8 o'clock position, which is a safer method, we feel, for holding a tire. We basically thought of the human wrist when we were building this. You can pick it up and you can tip it up, you can rotate it and swing it sideways. And that's the beauty of it. We've done a few changes for some producers, and they really like and see the benefits of how it handles big tires. And for anyone that uses large tires, machinery dealers, tire shops, even forestry, it could be mounted to just about anything that has a hydraulic source. I go to many tire shops and dealerships. Their tires are either leaning against the wall or they're all leaning against each other and propped up against something. Whereas our tires, we always lay them down. It's a safety factor that I like for having children and animals around. We believe this is going to be a very usable, safe machine, and people all over the world are going to enjoy using this product.